So today po, I want to share with you guys the word of God, which can be found on Psalms 118, verse 6. It says that the Lord is on my side, I will not fear. Katulad po nang nangyari kay David, his prosperity, yung victory na po, he was on the side of God to guide him, to lead him, to direct him, to assist him as a man. Para tayo lang po, pag may good things and bad things na nangyayari sa atin, alam po ni God yun kasi hindi niya naman papahintulutan yung problem kung alam niya pong hindi po natin kaya. Pag may fear ka po sa sarili mo, nawawala yung joy, yung peace of mind mo, yung kagalakan mo, kaya po huwag tayong matatakot sa anong pagsubok o laban na mangyayari sa atin. God is on our side. Kaya kung saan ka man ngayon, always remember that the Lord is faithful no matter what. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Good day po. God